Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Face reveal! Yeah, I thought of doing a face reveal today. So, for having a couple subscribers, I thought that I'd play some nice gotcha studio. Here, I'm just gonna try to move my webcam. This good, guys? Okay. Oh my. What just happened? Okay, so this is just weird. Okay. I don't know what's happening. I literally do not. What? My game? No, there. Guys, I don't know what to do. Because this is weird. It's glitching out on me. I don't want to gotcha. Do you guys know why this game is so glitchy on PC? So now I'm finally done that. So what I'm gonna do first. What's happening? Huh? Guys, I have no idea what's happening. Here, look for a different. What game should we play? School Life Simulator. Because I've never tried it, so. Oh wait, oh my god. That brightens up my face so much. Oh. So if you guys have any songs that I could write, just comment them down below. I have a cat and she's in here. And she's being adorable. Really? So I have to have that here. Okay. This is. See what all this stuff is. Like, I have no idea what this game is. They're really creepy. And I don't like it. I have no idea what. I'm just not gonna play. I don't really know what smooth is. If you guys can teach me or tell me how to play it, then I'm gonna play Gotcha Life. If you guys don't know what Gotcha Life is, it's a really, really fun game where you can design characters, do different things. So I made a little person right here. A person. And then I did a winter girl. I made her this cute. If you guys have any other recorders that I can use, rather than just trying to fix this. I don't know where to put my face cam. Okay, I can only play this game. I'm gonna look for something. Let's search up Tokaboka. I don't think that. Ooh. It's downloading, guys. So, if you guys could teach me how to play this game, that would be awesome. Okay, I'm just not used to face cam because I've never used it. I have a cat. I don't have that. I can't believe it. I'm back. Because my puppy just... Let's try Toka word. Wow. That like really bad scare. Oh. Okay guys, so if you want me to two, then maybe make a part 2 for those. Because it was just skateboarded and it took me off of the game. Did I accidentally? Okay guys, I'm gonna make a part 2. I love you all so much and